Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig Show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig Show. Wednesday morning, we are one day away from the CEE Retail Awards Gala and Forum tonight. Winston, tonight, jury night, ready for action. We've got the juries coming to vote on all the awards. We've got 55 jury members, 25 online, 30 coming. So a lot better than last year where everybody was online. So nice.
Yeah, we've got all angles covered, I think.
Yeah, we've got, I think, of course, as we have to do it online with the situation at some points. So we've got 25 great jury members online. We're going to be launching it today at 8 o'clock. So for you jury members watching online, you know to go onto the link and you'll be joining us. And also for the jury members coming, it looks like we had about 30, 35 coming. So great. It'll be great to see all of our old friends and colleagues on the jury night. So we'll, of course, have great food and drinks, a great networking time. Everybody bring your, of course, your certificates we've got some nice, lovely hostesses checking the COVID passes and the tests if you're doing the tests. To check that to make sure that everybody's safe for tonight for the jury dinner. And also, tomorrow morning, we're starting the forum and the marketplace. 8:30 in the morning, we've got full buffet breakfast, very exciting, fresh omelets and all kinds of stuff, fresh buffet. So come for the breakfast, come early for the breakfast and the networking. Then we've got two fantastic panels, starting with the finance and development on retail. Also another panel, then a little break, and then another panel on e-commerce, logistics, and what the retailers are looking for. A couple retailers on the panel talking about their plans for 2020. What year are we in? 2022?
That's correct.
2022, 2023. So again, a lot of guys there, not expansion. What are they doing? What's happening on the logistics, e-commerce front as well? A couple experts there covering the logistics and even developing the logistics. So great to have them. So then we'll wind it up after a couple of panels, a little bit of networking in the early afternoon. And then we kick it off at 6:30. At 6:30 with our opening cocktails and CEE Retail Awards. Again, here at the InterConti in the main ballroom. Again, be prepared to show your COVID passports or PCR test. We have some lovely hostesses that will be checking that when you come in. So everybody will either be vaxxed or tested in our event. We got some great music as well, entertainment, nice awards. I think we've got, 30 categories this year?
30 this year, yeah.
Woo, 30 categories. Wow, very exciting. A lot of nominations, well over 150 nominations, I think. And retailers, we went over the retailer categories with Paula the other day. And I think we got 5 categories for retailers, yeah? 6?
7.
7. Geez, 7 categories for retailers. So amazing the amount of expansion that's happened over the last 2 years. So really a lot going on. I would definitely say that we are, if we can say, retail ready. We are retail ready this week and tomorrow the big day. So if you don't have a ticket to come to any of the stuff, let us know. We want to get you involved and get you in the forum or the forum in the gala. Also great opportunity for that all tomorrow. Of course, then we've got our real estate guide for MIPIM coming up in March, and also our SEE Southeastern European Retail Awards, Southeastern European Real Estate Awards in March 31st at the Radisson Blue Hotel. We're back in the Radisson. Great to be back there as well. We've got our, one of our colleagues, Tom Barnhart, will be hosting the panel on office, and also giving away a couple of the awards for the shared like he was doing before, for the shared services and the BPO company of the year. So we got a couple, in Romania, there's quite a lot of those guys. So a lot going on there on the office front. So some things we were doing some years ago and bringing it back now that we're back in place. Having said that, we hope everybody will see you tomorrow at the Retail Awards, or if you want to see it online, there's also tickets online still available. Having said that, we'll take a little break, a little information about the Retail Awards, and then we'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, with the highlights of the news today. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards, with over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail. All ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal making, retailer presentations, and CEE Retail Forum. In the evening is the awards gala, which starts at 7 in the evening and finishes late into the night. Okay, welcome back, Winston. Good to see you.
Nice to see you, Craig.
Ready for the Retail Awards?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah,
I'm
ready for the news this morning?
Ready, and ready for the news as well.
All right, let's hear the excitement.
So we can start in Poland today, and the Polish Chamber of Commercial Real Estate, PINK,
yeah,
has published its figures summarising the Polish office market in the regional cities.
Oh.
And they've announced that, or an interesting point from this report is that the Polish modern office stock has surpassed 6 million square metres now.
Wow, big number.
Yeah, it's a big number, yeah. And at the end of quarter 4 2021, total modern office stock in the 8 regional markets of Poland was at 6,038,800 square metres. The main cities where the most offices were completed were the Tri-City area, followed by Kraków, Poznań, and some of the largest developments online was the 3T office park, which delivered 38,000 square meters and was developed by 3T office park in Gdynia.
Wow, big one.
Yeah, and at the end of quarter 4 2021, in the 8 regional markets, the 853,000 around square meters remained vacant, resulting in a vacancy rate of around 14.1%, and that's an increase of 1.4% compared to 2020, so slightly down there. And the highest vacancy rate is in Wrocław, which is 16.7%, so a lot of space there. And the lowest is, no surprise, Szczecin, which is the smallest city there.
Small, yeah.
At 5.3%.
So if you need some good office space, go to Wrocław.
Yeah, lovely city. Very nice.
Nice city as well. Yeah.
Staying in the office market and staying in Poland and Newmark, they've announced their office occupier office market report in Warsaw for quarter 1 to quarter 4 2021, and they say central office locations in Warsaw continue to attract strong interest. So that's good. They say occupier activity in the fourth quarter bounced back to pre-pandemic levels, and the city's vacancy rate does remain high. However, relatively stable, and they do say that developers are slowly restarting planned projects.
So stably high.
No, the vacancy rate is still a bit high,
right,
but stable.
But stable.
Not increasing, and this is encouraging developers to restart their plans that have been put on hold.
Yeah, imagine a year and a half of no development. It's time, or on hold. Time to get them going again. Yeah?
That's correct. Yeah. Some news from Panettone, and they're partnering with Carrefour for the third time. They're developing a new BTS project. The investment has around 50,000 square meters, and it's under development in Będzin, in southern Poland. And this location will be able to supply its stores throughout the region and will further develop the rapidly growing e-grocery segment in Silesian province. And this project, like many Panettone projects today, will feature many environmentally friendly solutions. And this one's going to have a 5,000 square meter green roof, which is sound absorbing and thermal insulation properties. Will reduce noise pollution and insulate the rooms from overheating in the summer and cooling down in the winter. So very, very agreeable working conditions in this shed.
Yeah, sounds good.
And finally for today, Horizon Development have announced a new leasing and sales director in Budapest and Hungary. This is Matti Behrari, and he's been working for the company for 5 years. And they're very happy that his skills are going to improve the company moving forwards.
Horizon seems to always be expanding and have some interesting projects as well.
Yeah, they're one of the big players in Hungary today.
Well, great, Winston. Thank you very much. Everyone, we'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy. We hope to see you At the tomorrow is Coffee with Craig live during the day at the InterContinental. So if you'd like to join us there for our Coffee with Craig viewers, it's 99 euros. Join us for a great breakfast, great networking, and all kinds of information on logistics, e-commerce, and retail. Having said that, have a great day. If we don't see you at the event, we will see you online on our next Coffee with Craig show. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.